This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to demo session of Complete AI, GenAI and Agents Creation demo session. Yeah, myself Nagarjuna Vadlakonda. I have a total 13 plus of IT experience. I am working on specially DevOps section to slowly move to MLOps IOPS section. And from last 1.9 years, we are creating LLMs and agents. So I have a strong idea on especially LLMs and agents creation. So these course points, who are eligible first to learn this course? Who are eligible to learn this one? Who are eligible to learn this one? And is there any coding is required? This is the second question. Maybe I'm an experienced guys as like I'm a fresher. Shall I start my journey here? Mainly the first second part, coding is required or not. This is one biggest confusion for us. But nowadays, irrespective of your domain, maybe you are belongs to non-IT or IT or monitoring section, administration section. Agents creation is now AI agents, we are simply called long time. Now this is a one trending technology. Almost it is going to replace you. Almost it is going to replace you only without any doubt. Really, I'm saying the same thing. If you are creating one agent means you are giving a life to one software indirectly or tool behalf of you. What is the behalf of you? Instead of you, this tool is going to do your work. Now every environment trying to creating the agents, even the agent only going to take the decision. So wonderful things are there. That also one of the big confusion part. Really, the genuine word, I cannot say zero coding. Why? Because minimum coding is required. Minimum coding is required. Like not like a Python developer. For example, Python developer having 100% subject knowledge. If you consider one developer is there very excellent, at least in his, for example, 100 concepts or 100% is expert. 0.5 to 1% knowledge is required from the Python. Only this is a required one. Not deep level. 0.5 to 1%. Okay, hardly you can consider 1% coding is required. Even that too, in the AI part only. And if you go to the Gen AI, if you go to the LLM section, if you go to the next one, agents creation, these area no coding. These area no coding only. Just modules importing area only will come. These area no coding. In the AI section only, you have to learn little bit coding. But you don't worry. Here, inside of this course, I added Python also, but that to 15 hours only. Whatever the content is required to learn this course, again I'm repeating same word. Whatever the content is required to learn this course, the Python point I am talking, that content I am already added. Prasad, wait, I will take your all the question. Just let me complete my part. So my next question, I mean, I know your questions. That's why. Is it 15 hours Python is enough to learn this course? No. And yes, also I'm giving two answers. Don't get any confused. The thing is, 15 hours is enough to complete this training. Happy, no doubt. But if you want to survive, a 50 plus hours content is the total Python content. It's a different new batch. It is not part of this course. But initially, you can enjoy with this 15 hours course. inside of this course, if you are joining inside of AI, Gen AI, and this one, you will get a 15 hours Python course. To learn this course, 100% sufficient. I want to get some expert level idea on Python. Why? Because that is only the mediator between to communicate with any technology. Yeah, I will strongly suggest to learn the complete Python. Generally, I will provide you new batch details. Presently not required. You can smoothly go to this 4 months of journey with this 15 hours Python is enough. You don't worry, day one only I need to complete Python. Not required. Completely to learn this course, 15 hours is enough. Parallelly, you can plan for Python also. I can say false statement to you, but that is not right. So I'm saying to a genuine statement, yes, end of the training, you have a good strong idea on Python. Presently, if you come with a zero idea, I am providing to you detailed subject in 15 hours, but not end to end, which is required to this course, I will provide. So note, learn Python also. Yeah, this is the strongest one. Now you are not belongs to developer. No problem. General, I will show you some other batches. It is not part of your course. This is a regularly I am taking Python batches. One second, not this part. Yeah. For example, this is a 1 February batch is started. Yes. Now almost, yeah, 48 sessions. The last 3 or 4 session related to modules part only. So 48 to 50 hours content is available to you. It is very easy. You no need to practice anything. Just if you attend live, that part is very easy to learn. But initially, to learn this course, these 15 hours is enough. Then after, how can we do? Okay, I'm saying that one zero coding. Definitely, you can come with zero idea. You are going to get a strong foundation in the Python. That is my guarantee. 15 hours. But again, I'm saying that this 15 hours is enough to in work in my environments in the real time. No, the answer is no. You have to learn complete Python. It is not part of complete Python, not part of your AI. No, it is not part of AI part. That is also one statement. Okay, then nowadays, may you are a fresher, really you are going to enjoy, and this will be helpful to you in your career. What about experienced guy? So definitely, I can say Gen AI and agents. These two areas will helpful to you. You can use your existing experience by these two tools. Your existing experience plus you can show the I have experience on Gen AI and I created multiple agents. Okay, you can go with also AI, but really, if for example, if you have 15 years of experience, you cannot start from zero again. Really not possible to start again from zero. So, but possibility I'm talking to you, the possibility I'm telling to you, nowadays agents and LLMs are common for every environment. You can notice that point. LLMs and agents are common for every environment. Agents are common for every environment. Without that, we cannot move. Maybe you are using ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Any idea? What is a ChatGPT? Generally, I'm asking. What is a ChatGPT?
AI
AI
tool.
tool.
This is a One
Gen
of the AI
AI,
tool.
Gen AI.
This AI tool.
AI tool. I'm saying it is maybe LLM. I will ask the same question. You can see. I'm just taking a window. ChatGPT. You can observe. I am asking. Hi, ChatGPT. Prompt engineering. This is also important. Are you LLM? This is my question. Yes, your assumption is completely wrong. See, it is very clearly saying that one, I am a LLM. Nothing but it is telling that I know limited knowledge. I know the limited knowledge. Maybe initial levels, Chart GPT 2003 starting time, that time, there is a lot of different limitations are there. It's a one model, yeah, definitely. One of the model, I agree for that. Simple. If I come to, okay, just wait. I will show you that one also. Some organization training some data and then simply based on the exist some data is there providing to you one connection like API connection. This website is a ChatGPT. If you ask any question, it is going to search and find out the answer and it will give that answer to you. But this data trained on different organization, OpenAI and some other things are there. Here only they are going to use RAG concept, transformer concept. Shortly I will come. Everything is LLM and nothing but trained data. Already it knows about that. That's why it is giving the answer. But is a trained data only. Trained data on particularly example I trained 2025 December 31st. After this one, it don't know about new information. 1 second. What is your last feeding date as a LLM? Why? Because they are also in the back end use the RAG concept. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? It is saying to you, I know June 2024 is cut off, but I have one more question. I mean, what is the meaning of that one? These model are these LLM large language model saying that I know till June 2024 from Earth beginning to 2024 only. For example, if I ask a question, what is today? What is your expected answer? Hmm?
To train that
No, no,
model?
no. What is today? I'm asking. Your model is telling that
It
my
should be
cutoff
giving our data.
Sunday.
Sunday. But what is your model is telling that? I know June 2024 only. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
But are you expecting June 30, 2024 or today date?
It will tell today's date.
Today is how it is possible.
Rags. That's rag style.
It searches over the internet.
Yeah,
Based on
the whatever the existing data, trained data, perfect data, June 2024. If you ask any question behind this one, if you ask any question behind this date, or sorry, not behind, after the date, I mean, what is today means definitely June 2024 question only. The data information not available. So these LLMs, nothing but a database simply. This database is going to connect external resources, maybe websites or PDFs, URLs. I think you may heard about RAG word, transformers word. Okay, those who are new, little confusion will come. By that, it will connect and it will retrieve the data. Simple concepts are very easy. Just the starting point only problem. Sir, day one only you are going to jump? No, not at all. First, we have to jump into the Python course. This is a very first initial level part. A 15 hours we are going to enjoy in this section only. First 15 hours we are going to enjoy in this section only. There is no uh, other areas. First 15 hours we are going to see in this area only. Then after we are going to spend the first part is machine learning. This is a very first part is machine learning. What is the machine learning you're just generally you're thinking? Generally, what is the meaning of machine learning you're thinking? Your idea only. I'm not saying to exact why you are not giving exact answer. What is the machine learning you're thinking?
Training the machine to learn about all the data.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Your answer is almost correct. Example
Learn patterns.
2025, I have a sales of one product, 125% is there. In 2026, sales of one product, 150% is there. Otherwise, 250% is there. And 2027, what could be the percentage of sales I can get? These two are existing data. Are you understanding my question? This is the existing data.
500.
500.
500. So how can you say 500 based on the past data or not?
Yep.
Based on the
Doubling.
past data. Doubling. Yeah, these doubling are okay. In this scenario, doubling, that is nothing but pattern. You need to identify the relation between year to or year to year, the changes in the production or maybe sales in that product. Just learning patterns based on the past data. But are you give guarantee that definitely that 500% is going to come?
No.
Today you are 2026. Are you sure is going to give at least 490 percentage?
Yeah, it's
Approx.
just
Yep.
a forecast data.
Maybe, may not be. That's why it is a prediction. Correct or not? Maybe again any pandemic come, then that the business will go to 5% also. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe heavy business it reach to 5 lakhs percentage also. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Machine learning is nothing but based on the past data you are going to predict. Really, I can say one word here. While working with machine learning, you are look like a astrologer. You are looking like a astrologer only. You are like a astrologer. Okay, tomorrow this is the day you are going to get. Like that, you are going to predict. Simple. There is a simple answer for that. Machine learning, here also, machine learning means we are going to create models like ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT, we are going to create model. Once the model is available, based on the past data, if you ask a new upcoming questions, maybe new questions, from that, it will give the answer. But the answer is coming from the past data only. Again, you can notice the answer is coming from the past data only, not from the new data. Past data only. Here we have a supervised and unsupervised reinforcement. Maybe like there is nothing to confuse here. Supervised, unsupervised. Just we have a good strong idea on one module, pandas. This is a deciding factor of your course. Deciding factor of your course. So with this only, deciding factor of your course. With this only, your course will come. Pandas is one of the module. By this only your course is going to come. I have a real-time data. With that, like Excel sheet in simple terms, CSV files. We can easily call that is a CSV files. First Python, next one not machine learning. Before machine learning, pandas, NumPy, and another module is representation of the graphs. Matplotlib. These three modules we are going to see. Python plus these three modules. Then we can jump to the machine learning journey. Really, NumPy is nothing but numerical Python related to calculations. No See, remember, no mathematics, no Python to join inside of this course. I included these two things. Maybe you may heard somewhere mathematics is required. Definitely, that is related to statistics. Maybe the words are common: mean, median, mode, average. Otherwise, what is the standard deviation? I will cover that mathematics inside of this course. But the deciding factor in the basic section is pandas. Python plus these modules we are going to learn in the first level. Almost you can understand, or I mean, in this area only you will get good clarity how to perform data cleaning, data pre-processing, and how to work with outliers, and how to delete the unrelated objects. For example, one object is there, one person name, user 01 is salary, age is 40, salary is for example 45k. User 02 is there, age 50, 50k is there. Okay, but one more user 3, one more user is there, 25, maybe 30k. User 4, next something, some values. But user 5, age 999, salary 99k. So this data is there, but is it real data? The second field I'm talking about age, and this is salary, and first one is name. So one value is completely abnormal value comparing with others. Outliers we can call. So it is not possible value. Why? Because age is not possible. Not possible to triple line. Maybe this is a typo error. Instead of typing 19, may they be typed 99. Maybe instead of 99 they are typing 19 also. Maybe there is a chances. So maybe type errors are there. So first data cleaning, data pre-processing will come in the first section only. So this is your first step to before starting AI. Then only we are going to see AI box. In the AI box, the first box you can yellow color box you can consider that is the basics. Here the machine learning concept we are going to discuss in this section. Machine learning area. The machine learning area means what is the here you should not call rows, indexes we have to call columns only are fields. Data cleaning, data pre-processing, very important one. But in the machine learning, one output is there. Example, just give me a few seconds. Yeah, just give me 1 second. I will take any one of the existing data. Yeah, EMP not required. Okay, this is also series based data. EMP. I'm randomly selecting some file. Even this is also not suitable. Yeah, I think disk is not attached. Okay, for example, okay, same thing I'm providing salary. Is purchasing laptop or not? Fourth column I'm adding. First column name, second column name, first, second age, salary, laptop. Is purchasing or not? For example, yes, no, yes, no, no. So my question is a person name is user 6, his age is 44, his salary is 88K. Tell me, is it going to purchase the laptop? This you need to decide in the machine learning. Can you guess he's going to purchase the laptop? Are you understanding my question?
No.
Yes.
Question,
He will
question.
purchase. Yeah, I got it. We got it.
Yeah. First of all, we cannot say really the answer. We need to understand the relation between age, salary, age and salary. How only two factors. My question is related to last column or not? Column. This last column is purchasing laptop or not. That is my question related one. So is purchasing laptop or not? Depending name is no affecting element. Really, name is nothing. Just like it is a test data. Age and salaries are deciding factors. So we need to find out the relation and how salary is increasing and age is increasing, how he is responding, and both are decreasing, how he is responding. So based on that, your AI model or machine learning model create a pattern. Just you said here double. How can you say double? It is easy values. That's why you are going to identify. Here you may get something like y equals to like linear equation 2x plus y is nothing but laptop for example y equals to 2x plus 3 some this is a one 3x plus 1 some equation you are going to get. X is nothing but maybe salary. If this value is greater than 10 he is going to purchase. If greater than less than 100 is maybe the condition you are not going to write, your ML models are going to decide it. So in the machine learning there are two types of mainly two types, supervised and unsupervised. Three are there, but mainly two, supervised and unsupervised. Machine learning means you are a astrologer. You are going to predict. How to predict? Based on the existing data. Based on the existing data, you are going to predict. If my question output column name is in this question, what is my question output column name? In my this question, what is my output column name? My question
Laptop.
related to laptop. If output column is available, that is a supervised. If it is not available, unsupervised. Are you understanding my point? In the
Yes.
data itself, my question related to is purchasing laptop or not, I'm asking. This column, my question column is salary for 88K, age 44, username is user 6. Based on the past data, tell me is going to purchase the laptop or not. I am ending my question. Is he purchasing, or he or she, or who is whatever, purchasing laptop or not? So the output column is available, that is a supervised. Output column is not available, it is a unsupervised. What is the difference between supervised and unsupervised? To unsupervised, one second. Unsuper, okay, U is missing, learning in ML. Short answer. Prompting is important. Label data, nothing but these headers we can call labels, like a name, age, salary, laptop. These are the headings in Excel sheet headings. So what is the simple answer we have? Is it correct answer? Correct output also available, that is a supervised. If output is not there, unlabeled is not there, then what we can call, that is a unsupervised. Here so many algorithms will come. Here only everyone feel free. Okay, third one also there. There is, we can call reinforcement, like penalty and other things. But guys, here only little mathematics will come. Here only you will get some little mathematics. What is a linear regression and tree decision and correlation between the models. So, but don't worry, I'm not going to introduce you anything directly. From the scratch only we are going to move. This part only you have to learn little bit. Small coding is required in this section only. And once go to the AI sub part is there, deep learning is there. AI inside only. That is also AI inside only, not somewhere. AI sub part is there. Deep learning, NLM. Maybe these words, maybe you are heard somewhere. So nothing but today you're generating audio, videos, or some sending mail messages, or PPTs you are creating with help of this deep learning model only. Deep learning today, whatever you are seeing, ChatGPT before, so many other models also there. ChatGPT before also already some models are there. This deep learning concept only we are calling exactly. This deep learning area only we are going to call exactly GenAI. There is nothing. GenAI also part of AI only. This deep learning only we are calling GenAI, generative AI. Actually, it's a one of the branch of deep learning. So what is the purpose? Generating new text, new images, popular ones, LLM. How the LLMs we are going to add? So based on the existing data, we are training our model, and we are even model. How? What is a model? Model is nothing but not a human being. Just what we will do in the ML. In ML example, ML section point I'm talking. Complete genuine word I'm talking. For example, you have a 20,000 records are there, past data, maybe 2015 to 2026 till today. You have some past data is there. These data we are going to divide as a two parts: training data, test data. So training data, for example, 80% or 85%, okay, 80%, 80, 90 they are recommended, 80 we are taking, test 20 we are taking. Maybe it is a supervised or unsupervised, doesn't matter. 80% of 20,000 means 16K records. 20% of 2,000 means 4,000 records. On these 4,000 records only, we are going to train a model. Like you said, double of the sales, 125, 250, 500, how you said the answer. Like that, we are going to train this model. This model will give to you one equation. Okay, there is nothing. Just like sales is nothing but every 1 year, 1.5 times it is increasing. Some equation you will get. Maybe before going to predict a new question, you are getting based on the total data, divide as a two parts: training data, test data. On the training data, your program will work. It will create a model like ChatGPT. And these training data, we are going to test on this 20% data. This 20% data also, for example, you have 1,000 records: name, salary, age, laptop purchasing or not. So, for example, 1,000, one record to do 16,000 records. Output, everything we will take. Output also coming, name, salary, age, everything we are taking and we are training. Remaining part, name, salary, age only we will take. We won't take the laptop purchasing or not. We won't take this value. By giving this, some answer is giving na your model. By that, we, for example, by this model, when I supply these three values, it is saying yes. Originally, is it yes or no? We are going to compare how much accuracy we are getting. That is R square value we can call. That way we are going to develop the model. Accuracy at least 96, 95.5, 96. This maintenance is important. No one will predict 100%. If it is result perfect, then only we can release this model into the team. Then if you ask any question, then it will give that answer to, okay, what is the 2029, what is the prediction of sales, then it will give that answers to you. Like that, we have a models also there. Once it is, deep learning is a major topic in our course. We have zero coding. In this section, zero coding, especially GenAI. You are going to see the first one, GenAI, Generative AI, LLM creation. Sir, do we require any subscription? No, sir. Even no need any good hardware also. Why? Because we are going to use a browser-based Python compiler or Python program. That is a Colab we are going to use. And freely they are giving you some hardware. By that hardware, we can happily learn the course. In few scenarios, good hardware is required. And even API calls also limited. We are going to use existing trained models. If you want to create your own model, we have to invest crores. And already models are developed. OpenAI models are there, Olama models are there. The models we are going to take in the free trial only, not anything in the paid mode. Tokens, we can call tokens only. And in the generative AI, my question is, if I ask a question, how this my machine is understanding my when I'm asking one question in the chat GPT, how the question is understanding my words. I mean, machine really don't know about human language. Okay, don't give answers zeros and ones. How, if I ask a question, my ChatGPT, how can it is identifying proper answer? Huh?
Tokens.
Excellent, tokens concept. Really, your LLMs or ChatGPT don't know about anything about your question. No, you don't know anything about your questions. If you ask any question, so for example, please explain about photosynthesis. When you ask this question is divided as a words, maybe sentences. Total big sentence is there. That words that is divided as a words first, second, like that. For each word, your model, trained model, we are going to use existing models. Why? Because we cannot train any models from our end. So first step, your question divided as a words. Please explain about photosynthesis. First divide as a words, and then after we can call embeddings. Words nothing but tokens only, guys. Embedding is nothing but each word there is a numbering is available. Model will decide. For example, please means 300. Explain means 200. And photosynthesis means minus 200. For each word, your LLM will give to you, or your ChatGPT, in other words. ChatGPT will give to you one number. These number having n dimensional, I mean 360 dimensional, 720 dimensional, yeah, different word to vector dimensional. The old approaches also available. Fastest, Grovey, and then after completely graph level only. We know x-axis, y-axis. Maximum, you know, z-axis also, maybe. Three-dimensional, you know, maybe, no. But here it is going to take, yeah, I will ask the same question. 1 second, I will show you. In LLM, I mean ChatGPT, how many dimensions you are going to use to predict the next word? Okay, I can ask directly embeddings. Oh, it is asking they log out. So it is going to depending on the 4K to 16K, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, like that. Okay, you can ask embedding also, embeddings, vectors, databases. Yes, you can ask. These words may be different. You can see cat is divided as a three-dimensional. On the screen, you are seeing three x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, but dot 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 also available. Cat word converted to numbers. Everything converted to numbers only. Everything converted to numbers only. See, cat to dog, minimal nearest values are available. Minus 44.4440. Yes, you can see having same similar meaning. Cat and car, lot of differences are available. So these way, you can ask one more question. Open AI, ChatGPT, particularly one version, using embedding vector size. Maybe these words completely different approach. See, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, it is using 1500 and 1536. Nothing but if you take a one image, you know, this is x-axis, one axis, z-axis, this is y, my mistake, z. Like that, it is going to use 1500 axes it is going to use. That is depending on your model. Actually, if you this training already done by these ChatGPT, OpenAI tools only. You no need to do anything training from your end only. If you want to train, it's a very costly service, not a easiest one only, guys. Yeah, please wait for few seconds. I will cover that content also. Like that, if we discuss, it will take a lot of time about the course content. Yeah. So this is a major things: Python, data cleaning, then machine learning, AI, deep learning inside GenAI, how to create our own agent. This is very powerful topic. My agentic AI means multiple agent, maybe AI agent part of this one only, not maybe single agent to multiple agents. How to work with my company own LLM. These two are presently marketing leaders. These two. If you have idea on how to create agents and LLM, how to develop by using API calls, that's all. These two are having huge demand in the market. Okay, this Hugging Face, Vector DB, maybe these words may be little different to you. Just initially Python, first 15 hours will come. And yeah, mathematics, nothing but NumPy, statistics, probability. You are eligible to data analytics role, ML engineer, IOPS, AI engineer. Gen AI is a very, you are going to get excellent idea on Gen AI here. There is a zero idea on Gen AI. Pandas module, as I said previously. API we are going to use, but very less code. API, how to interact front end. So how to create a like a login page. Like for example, for the user, I want to give a plain simple page. This one, how to create a plain page, yeah, like this dashboard. How to create this dashboard? That is nothing but using the Flask or Django. Developers point. Nowadays, every code is available over the internet. Concepts are important. So machine learning area and different technologies and supervised, unsupervised, and different algorithms are there. Which one I should select for my question? And it's a deep learning one of the model. Yes, your NLP or transformers. Today you are using transformers, part of this one only. So GenAI, a RAG, vector DB, agentic AI, Hugging Face, yeah, LLM creation. This is very powerful one. These course from this point zero coding only. From this part zero coding, only modules importing and using only available. So how to work on our own LLM, I want to create it. Really, this is very You can show these projects. Two projects are there majorly. You can show on your resume. Uh, On-prem level, how to use the existing LLMs. It's on-prem without internet. Olama. So how to store the data and what is the memory management inside of it. ChromaDB and FICS single agent. Here only you are going to understand long chain and long graph. Long chain is nothing but connection between the LLM only. Simple, very simple concept. It is long chain and long graph also will come. I think I'm not defined long graph. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, framework was there. Yeah, long chain and long graph. Two things will come. Long chain is nothing but connection. Graph is nothing but multiple agents, agentic agents. And two major projects, and every tool is one agent only. Normally, here I written 20 and again I written two here. One is GenAI, another one is agentic AI. You can show this one in your resumes only. We are going to create our own agent only from our end. Behalf of human being, we are going to create the agent. Here I added, guys. And also cloud AI now is one of the that is also LLM only. Cloud AI is one now. Different tools are coming. ChatGPT, DeepSeek came, and Gemini came. Every day one tool is coming. So some additional MLOps. If you have a Kubernetes idea, I'm not going to teach Kubernetes here, but how to work with Azure related one, Azure AI related one also I added. And this is totally 4 months course, initially Monday to Friday, but this is going to change Monday to Saturday after 2 months. Initially Monday to Friday. There are two batches, 7 to 8 morning, 7 to 8 evening. Means Monday to Friday, this is a fixed timing. Same topic will run in the morning and evening. Both are live only. After each live, you will get the daily recordings. Example, 1 week you are morning shift, you can attend that week evening. But any one of them only you need to attend. Attending two batches not allowed. So maximum slots for morning batch and evening batch is 35 only. Previously what is there? Now 35 only. Morning 35 slots, evening 35. But basically you need to inform one thing, your belongs to morning batch or evening batch. Maybe you can inform it morning or evening, I'm not sure. I will attend either of them, but any one of them only you have to attend. Sir, I have a lot of time, I'm completely free, I want to attend morning and evening. No, if you want to attend again, I will providing everyday daily recording. Whether you are attending live also, I am sharing to you recorded videos. You can watch it. But two times if you are participating, the count one person is involving here and here, confusion will come. So you live point, you can attend any one of them. Same link will be available. Once the payment is completed, I will add your number to the group. It's a one-time payment. There is no other things. It's a minimal price. I can say this course content definitely it is more than 60K to you in the outside market. So I'm taking time. Why? Because 4 months means it is not one day GenAI master class 20 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, never come the subject. You can notice the change in the first 1 month only. That is my guarantee. And related to before going to take the questions, yeah, I am showing to you. First of all, better to use account details. So this is my account number. You can use the account number. I'm sending in the chat box. Please use this one. Account is the best option for me. Why? Because yeah, this is account I'm sharing in the chat box to you. Please, you can check it. Account is 1 second. I'm sending the account. Otherwise, you can use the payment one also. You can observe three other, but go with option number 2. That is the best suggestion. Once if you complete your payment, please share your screenshot to this number. So either you can use this QR code or a number. Two options in your hand. Otherwise, I share to you Karur Vaishya bank details to you. You can use that one also. But once if you complete your payment, please share the payment screenshot to same number only. And regular sessions going to start from 26th onwards, not 25th Monday. 26th onwards we have a regular sessions. From this is a starting point, morning and evening, Monday to Friday. This is going to start. Recorded videos validity is 1 year. You can download that videos at any point. I am providing to you complete access, but my suggestion is download it once the course is completed. Otherwise, why? Because you are going to get almost 110 plus videos, 110 plus hours videos you are going to get. Better to download it weekly once like that. That is my suggestion only. So on the drive, recorded videos are available to you exactly 1 year from the course completion date, not course starting date. This is also you can consider. It is also helpful to you. Course completion date pointed to 1 year. Really, it is great. So after 4 months to 1 year is available. So meanwhile, you can download it at any point. That is also one great benefit. But apart from that one, live participation is important. Yeah, that's all. This is about the complete information about course content. If you have any questions, you can ask here. Once if you are completed your payment, please share the screenshot to my number. So if you have any question, other things, personally you can contact it. But any question directly it is possible to ask, please you can use the mic option